Over the last 6 months, a nighttime phenomenon has been witnessed across many cities around the world. On Thursday, March 13th, at 3:14 a.m., loud animal noises and crashing sounds awoke many sleeping citizens. Investigators discovered traces of blue hair at these locations. On Tuesday, April 1st, at 12:59 a.m., people were startled by the sight of a mysterious creature swinging from light posts high above the street. As you can see from this amateur home video, something definitely did happen here. And on Friday, May 2nd, at 2:09 a.m., in this alley, an abandoned video camera was discovered. The footage was left in the camera, and as you will see, there really is an unidentified creature haunting our cities at night. Sonic Unleashed. When the sun goes down, a new adventure begins.